Arrange the following in ascending order. So these are our decimal numerals, and we are supposed to put them in the order of ascension. That is from the lowest to the highest. So what we have here, first of all, you need to consider the whole numbers. That is the ones we call the decimal. That is the decimal point. So we have 38, 0, 3, 0, 3. Which one is the smallest? I can see 0 is the smallest, but I have 0 here and I have another 0 here. So by comparing, they all have 0, 0. Since they all have 0, 0 as whole numbers, we move to the next stage. Now there is a 0 and there is a 4. So 0 and 4, which one is the smallest? The 0 is smaller than the 4. So when I'm comparing or I'm to arrange, the smallest over here becomes 0.05. Then the 0.41 will now follow. Now that I am done with the 0 and the 0, there is a 3 and a 3. There is 3 here and there is 3 here. They all have 3 as whole numbers. So I now move to the next stage. There is 9 and there is 4. 9 is bigger than 4. So the smallest of the 3 is the one with the 4. I now have 3.481. Then 3.9. Then the final one, which is what? 38.4. So this is the ascending order of what I have. 0.05, 0.41, 3.481, 3.9, then 38.4. I have 0.3090, 0.299, 0.0999, 0.031. And I'm supposed to arrange it in ascending order, that is from the lowest. So which one is the lowest one here? Let's check the whole numbers. 0, 0, 0, 0. They are all the same. Now we move to the next. 3, 2, 0, 0. 3, 2, 0, 0. The smallest is 0. But there's a 0 and there's a 0. So these two, one is the smallest. Okay. Now we move to the next. There is a 9 here and there is a 3 here. So the 9 and the 3 happens to be the smallest. Therefore, we now have the smallest to be 0.031, followed by the 0.0999, then 0, 0, 3 and 2. So 2 is smaller. So we have 0.299. Then the largest is 0.3090. So this is the arrangement. Now I have a proper fraction, decimal fraction, percentage, and a mixed fraction, I'm supposed to compare. I cannot just compare them. The first thing I need to do is to change all to decimal fractions. When I change them to decimal fractions, my 3/4 will become 0.75. That is from our previous lesson. Then we have 0.7. When I convert 40% to decimal, I should be having 0.40. Then this is a whole number, so 2.1/5. When I convert it, I should be having 0.2. So 0.2 plus 2 becomes 2.2. Now that I have this, I can compare. Therefore, I have 0, 0, 0, and 2. Which one is the biggest? Which is this one. So I put it aside. Then I compare the next. This is 7, but this is 4. So this happens to be the smallest. And 0.40 is the 40%. So I put my 40% there. Followed by, this is 7, this is 7. This is 5, and there is nothing here, which means this is 0. So the next in line is the 0.7, followed by the 0.75, which is 3/4. Then followed by the 2 points, which is 2 whole number 1/5. So anytime you are given mixed up values, which are all not decimals, change all of them to decimal, then do your comparison and replace them with their original values.